Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick unboxing video of a Kobalt 6x double drive ratcheting screwdriver, and it is a new addition to my ratcheting screwdrivers because I have the 2x double drive and I have the 2x precision driver. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a quick unboxing of this Kobalt screwdriver set. It is a 32-piece double drive, 6x faster than the normal standard 2x double drive, which I showed in the last video, which just to give you guys a quick look again. This is the double drive 2x. The speed collar is about a ½ inch bigger. It's a little bit longer and the handle's textured. A little more textured. This one just kind of smooth. Let's get it unboxed real quick. This was $24 at the Lowe's I went to, and it is part number 0607881. Lifetime hassle-free guarantee. That off. It has, for the bits included, flat 1/8, 3/16, quarter times 2 Phillips. It's got Phillips 0, Phillips 1, Phillips 2 times 3, Phillips 3. For Torx, it's got T10, T15, T20, T25, and T30. For hex, it's got 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, or quarter inch, or you can also call it an Allen. For Robertson's and or square, it's got square 0, square 1, square 2, and square 3, and it has a quarter inch shanked precision bits also. Phillips 0, Phillips 00, and Phillips 000. And for flat, it's got 3/32, 5/64, and 1/8. Here's the unit right here. It is a lot faster. Just the slightest turn with my hand, it is definitely faster than the previous model. Seems a little louder as well. Here is the 2x smaller model. If I go back to the new model, oh yeah, you can feel it is a lot faster. It's very nice. This is going to come in handy. I don't think the end cap comes off on this one. Let's get the bits out real quick. You know, and you can never have too many bits. Kobalt makes some pretty good bits. Box. So here's all the bits, and here are the precision bits. 1/4 inch shank, but precision size. compared to the other Phillips. So there's a really nice little addition. It's a nice little box. And then it has this little gauge in here. Ah. It's got a little 1/4-inch shank so this can turn. So you can demonstrate it on how fast the 6X spins. That's a little neat. It's pretty cool. I'd keep that as just like a little souvenir. That's pretty cool. So everything that came in it is right here. Is a very nice ratcheting screwdriver. I'm very impressed. I actually like it a lot more than this one. And this one is quite a bit heavier. Not a lot, but quite a bit. Kobalt makes great things, especially when it comes to hand tools. And one of these days, maybe I'll compare all of these. Because I got 2 of this one now. And then I have 3 of the precision ones too. And these are all going in different kits. That's why I have so many of them. Put this there so they don't roll away. So that's everything that I have for these drivers right now. The big one, the 6 times, the 2 times, I have 2 of those. And then I have 3 of the 2 times precision style. They're very nice. $24 for this one with the bits. For Father's Day, you can get this one for $12.97, which is like $14 out the door. And these are $9.97 a piece for Father's Day. Great tools. Just a quick little unboxing. Kind of a view of all the different sizes as well. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!